Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in ClickUp. This is a powerful feature that allows you to save time by reusing structured tasks, lists, documents, or forms whenever you need them, rather than building everything from scratch each time. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to clickup.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in completely before proceeding to the next steps. Now, before we dive into creating a template, I want to remind you that ClickUp allows you to create templates for different things like tasks, lists, documents, forms, and more. So take a moment to think about what type of template you actually want to create. This will help you navigate to the right area within ClickUp and set up exactly what you need. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on creating a task template. Task templates are incredibly useful when you have recurring work that follows the same structure or checklist each time. Once you've decided on creating a task template, let's move forward on your left panel. Look for the section labeled Spaces. Spaces in ClickUp are where all your projects and workflows live, so you'll need to select the specific space where you want to create your template. Go ahead and click on the space you want to work within. This will open up all the lists and tasks contained in that space. Now, navigate to a specific task that you'd like to save as a template. This could be an existing task that you've already set up with subtasks, descriptions, checklists, or any other details you want to reuse. Once you've found the task, click on the three dots located on the right side of the task. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, click on Templates and then select Save as Template. This action tells ClickUp that you want to convert this task into a reusable template that you can apply to future tasks. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter a template name. Choose a name that clearly describes what the template is for so you can easily identify it later. Once you've typed in your template name, click Save. ClickUp will now store this template in your workspace for future use. Now let's test it out to make sure everything is working correctly. Click on the plus icon that appears beside your space name on the left panel. This is where you can create new items within your space. From the options that appear, click on Templates. Next, check the checkbox labeled Task. This filters the view so you only see task templates. And there you have it. You can now see the template we just created listed right here. You can click on it anytime to apply it to a new task, saving you tons of time and effort. That's how you create and use a task template in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.